Hey, beautiful people, it's Rickita and I'm back with another video. So in this video, I want to share bad news, you guys, about Transunion and My Jewelers Club and Kickoff. Transunion and a lot of companies. So somebody said that their account came off of their My Jewelers Club is not reporting to TransUnion anymore. And then some people told me too, it was actually other companies too. That's just like this. I think it's called the Huntington Chase or something like that. I don't know. I never suggest that company, but they were saying that the companies were coming off of the credit reports. But these are like old school companies. They've been around for a long time. So for them to not be able to report to TransUnion anymore, I just thought that that was crazy. But I looked at my credit report. It's still on my TransUnion credit report. But when I looked at a client's credit report, I did not see it. Like I pulled their credit reports today. I did not see it on TransUnion anymore. So I just wanted to tell you guys about this, since I do promote it a lot, that this is happening. Now, I did call them. So I called them and I asked them what was going on. It was 60 people. I called first thing in the morning. It was 60 people on hold because they started me at 60 and they said, hey, you are the 60th caller. And it went all the way down to just me being on the phone. So it took me a while to get on the phone with them. I was just like so over it. So sad that this was happening. But I think that they're going to fix this with TransUnion, or there's going to be some type of big lawsuit or something going on with TransUnion not reporting. I really think that's going to be a big thing. Now, I did look into reporting to credit bureaus, and I know that out of all the credit bureaus, TransUnion was the hardest in terms of you have to have so many people that you're going to report for. It's just so many like stipulations compared to Experian and Equifax. So it's easier to report lines to Equifax and Experian, but TransUnion, it was kind of harder. So I'm going to continue to pay my $99 on My Jewelers Club, because My Jewelers Club been around for so long. It's no way that now they're going to stop it. So I'm going to continue to pay. If you have not signed up now, you haven't signed up yet for them, then I suggest if you want to wait, you can wait. If you want to sign up, and have them report to Equifax and Experian, go ahead and do it. But again, this is the same thing that happened with Kickoff. So now when Kickoff came out with a second product, they automatically said, hey, we're only going to report to Equifax and Experian. They didn't say anything about TransUnion. But when they first started, they said that they were going to report to all three credit bureaus. But there's a problem when it come down to TransUnion and reporting to TransUnion. But like I told you guys before, I have a video where I actually recorded it. I talked to them. It's like 2 minutes long. I'm going to attach that to the end of this video. And I told you guys, I'm getting into cryptocurrency. I need us to think ahead. I need to think about the blockchain. I need to start thinking about what we're going to do beyond this, you guys. So definitely stick around for that. Clear your credit reports as much as you can clear them. If you need to get some accounts added to your credit report, try my shopping cart trick. I'll tell you guys about the shopping cart trick. And also continue to add positive accounts out there, like the starter credit cards. If you need to add starter credit cards, this account right here was just like a boost. You get started for about $200 and they'll report a $5,000 account in your credit reports. It's been around for so long, you guys. It's been around since before I even started doing credit. Like literally, it's been around. So I believe that they're going to fix the problem with TransUnion, but I think that in the coming months or very soon, we're going to see that a lot of companies are going to get fed up with TransUnion. There's going to be some type of lawsuit going on. But check out the recording at the end. Make sure you guys like, subscribe. If you have any questions, definitely let me know. I'm definitely here for you guys.
Can I help you?
Hello, hey Ashley. I just had a quick question for you. I just seen that somebody posted that My Jewelers Club is no longer reporting to TransUnion. Is that true?
Yes, ma'am. Unfortunately, we were aware that TransUnion has removed Major Financial from some credit reports. At this time, we are working with Major Financial to find out the cause of change, but the accounts are still being reported to Experian and Equifax.
Okay, so it's just really coming off of TransUnion. It's not coming off of Equifax and Experian.
That's correct.
And is it a guarantee that it's coming off? Because I can still see it's reported to my credit reports.
For TransUnion?
Yes.
Yeah. So as of right now, all we know is that TransUnion has removed some of the major financials from some credit reports. So I'm not sure as far as if you still see it or if you don't see it, I'm not
Oh,
sure.
you don't know if it's going to come off of everybody's. You just know that some people got it off of their credit reports, their TransUnion credit report.
That's correct.
Okay. Alrighty. Thank you so much. You have a great day.
You too. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.